Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix a Roblox Account Manager not working. Account Manager error this may arise from temporary Roblox server issues or updates in the Account Manager device or network changes. If you switch devices or networks while logged in Roblox login issue may occur due to security check. So how you can fix this issue? For this, first open Roblox Account Manager from the folder, then select the gear icon from here, then in the settings section just enable multi Roblox and auto refresh cookies, then reset encryption method, and that's how you can fix this problem. If it doesn't work, then follow another solution. Go to Roblox Account Manager folder, and then right click on it and select properties from here, then search for compatibility, then select run the program as an administrator and select run the program in compatibility mode 4, then select apply and click OK. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Roblox Account Manager not working.